guys, so I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'll just show you quick easy trick to dry your hair into curls and bounds. So let's see how I do it. So first of all, your hair should be damp and not dry or totally wet. So what I will do is I'll take a white tooth comb and I will just comb my hair first. Now once you're done with combing your hair, take your hair on the side which you like. Like I like to put this side parting, so I have put my hair here, and or else what you can do is you can always clip your frontal hairs and you can dry them later, but I'm gonna do them all along. Now I have just taken my hair in two sections. Now all you need to do is take a stole kind of and wrap it around like this and just take care of the thickness of the fabric. So whatever kind of curl you want, you can take that kind of thickness. I want my bounds to be this thick, so I'm gonna take it like this. Now just move it like this, and now just place it like this and hold it with a clutcher. Now move it again like this, and do the same here. Now take all your hair and keep rolling them in sections like this over the stole. Keep on adding the other layer like this. And now roll it with your stole. And now with the help of the clutcher, just hold this like this. Just hold it like this and attach it with whatever you're wearing, or else it will move back. And we'll do the same over here. So this might just unfold like this again and again. So what you can do is just wrap it around and hold it like this. Now again, keep on adding your hair in sections like this. And roll your stole again and again. Hold it with a clutcher like this with whatever you're wearing, and it is done. Now all you need to do is take your dryer and switch it on, and I always prefer to use my dryer on cold setting, but obviously you can always fix it according to your preference. You can always use slightly warm air, but I prefer using cold one because it doesn't damage my hair. One thing to keep in mind is that you always use a dryer like this or in the direction of your hair wherever they are going, and not like this or on the opposite direction. So let's just start it. So here are the options. This is for the speed and this is for the heat. So I'm gonna put it on 0 so that it is not hot, and this on high. can do this drying technique till your hair are dry, or you can do it, or you can just leave it in between if you just want a simple kind of bounce and you don't want to damage your hair a lot. And these for these bands, what I can do is just take a round brush like this and always pull them up here. For the bounce, you should never take your frontal bangs in this angle. Always take them higher like this. Now I will just hold it a little like this, not much, just this, or these will just tangle around, and it happened with me, so don't do that. And I will take the dryer like this. And you can just see. And now we are going to move our brush in the opposite direction again. So you can use your dryer, or it might even get set without that. So I'm just going to hold it up for a while like this and here. So let's just open these now. So as I told you, you can always dry it more for more effect. Now I'm just gonna take this paddle brush and move it around my hair like this. Just move it like this and you will see that fold going on like this. And now just dry it once more. And now I will take a little heat and move the dryer like this. And now what we are going to do is just take our round brush and move it around like this. Yes, we are just done. And if you know what my hair really looks like, you can just go to my feed and check. So this is not how my hair generally look after air drying. This is what I actually wanted as a result. This simple wave kind of texture in my hair, which is frizz free and smooth, and the hair feels really very soft. So I just saw a trick of overnight curls without heat, and I just tried out this with my dryer for instant result. And I think I'm pretty much happy, because it's very difficult for me to handle the dryer with sectioning and taking the angles here and there for these kind of curls. And I think this is not easy to get through dryer because we can't get overall waves through the dryer easily, and I would prefer doing this rather than using my curler or straightener for this. And I'm pretty much happy with this technique, and you can just have a close look how my hair really look. And you just So I hope you liked this technique. I think I'm gonna try this again and again to get the perfection, and I am pretty much happy because the texture of my hair is really not great and my hair are really very frizzy, and I'm trying new things which does not include any chemical or heat products or heating equipment to get the texture and fall of my hair which I really want. So I think this is gonna be one of my favorites, and this was super easy and it hardly took 15 minutes or 10 minutes, and you can do this every time you wash your hair. And if you really have curly and wavy hair like me and want the texture and waves to be set like this, you can always try this technique and tell me in the comments if you liked it. Bye bye.